Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to share with you how I made my do-it-yourself or DIY date-night envelope. It can be used for any special occasion that you're going on with your significant other. So let's get started. I have these envelopes right here. Here's the size right here. I think these came from Walmart for like $1 and some change. You can also get them from Target, the dollar store. But mine's is made with this. See this? When you pull this flap off, it will seal the envelope down. So that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to go ahead and take this off. I made some DIY envelopes for travel, and I call them DIY grandma travel envelopes. And I showed like me stuffing them, but then I got another comment saying, well, why didn't you show how you actually made them? So of course I can't do that because I had already made them. So I'm going to show you how I do this one. After I made sure that this was sealed down, I'm going to cut off just a small piece up here off. Let me see. Just cut like this much off. I kept cutting until I made it look like this with a V. Now you could leave it where it's a circle shape, or it could be where it's just straight across, but I wanted it to look like this with a V. Let's take some money and put in there. And this is what it'll look like. Now it's just time to decorate. I'm going to use some of this adhesive fabric that I got from the Dollar General. And y'all, I keeps the scraps. So this is a scrap that I use on another project. And this is some cardstock paper I already had on hand. It came from Hobby Lobby. And I don't know if I said it or not, but everything I'm using today I already had on hand. I just looked in my planner supply box and just dug out stuff. So let's see how I want to do this, because I want this to be where it'll say husband and wife, and I also want to have these letters right here to write out date night. So let me just put it together and see how I want to do it. I don't think I showed y'all this, but I'm using the Art Skills Sparkle Letter Stickers. I got that from the Dollar General, and that's what I'm using to make the word, you know, date night. Since I don't have a laminator, I'm just going to use some tape to laminate it. Because if you don't, it'll get all messed up. Here it is, the finished product. I really like the way it turned out. I did this for no other reason than to do something different. I usually carry my date night clip, but I don't want to get tired and bored of carrying it around. And I liked my DIY grandma cash envelope so much, so I decided to do one for date night. Next month is my birthday month, so I am going to ask for a laminator, so hopefully I'll get one. And next time I can just run it through the laminator. But today is Monday, February the 11th, 2019, and Thursday is Valentine's Day. So we're going to make it a Valentine's weekend. So I went to the bank and got the cash out for our date night. And so I'm going to go ahead and stuff it, getting things ready for Thursday. And this is what it'll look like. This is the front. And here's the back. All right, that's all I have to share for today. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.